I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz & Swartz in Boston. So oftentimes clients will say to us, well, I walked away from an accident, didn't feel like I was injured, but then suffered some symptoms later on. Those symptoms may be the result of what's called brain fog. So in an accident, sometimes even a low impact accident, I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz & Swartz. So oftentimes clients will walk away from an accident feeling like perhaps they haven't been injured, but then suffer symptoms later on. Sometimes those symptoms are what is called brain fog. So brain fog results from head trauma in an accident. That head trauma can occur at very low speeds in a car accident, even speeds as low as 8 miles per hour. And so what is brain fog? It's really difficulty with memory, short-term and long-term. It can lead to difficulty concentrating, even on basic daily tasks. And it results from brain damage, soft tissue brain damage often, in an accident. So for example, concussions, mild traumatic brain injury, or traumatic brain injury can all lead to symptoms, which are often collectively called brain fog. So can brain fog occur without a head injury? The short answer is no, but oftentimes that brain injury can be very difficult to diagnose, even at a hospital or a medical provider's office. These symptoms might go unnoticed or undiagnosed. So it's important after a car accident, as you experience symptoms, especially those relating to cognition and the ability or inability to recall things or to function in your daily life, that you persist in reaching out to your medical care provider and, if necessary, to a specialist. So if you have questions about your car accident and resulting brain fog or brain injuries, contact Swartz & Swartz. We can answer your questions.